Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today I'll be learning how to find number of years an employee spent in an organization. So I have a small data with the employee number, name and the hiring date. For these employees, we need to find the number of years spent in an organization. For that, we need to use two functions. First, we'll try to use the XLOOKUP, open bracket, lookup value. We are looking for this employee number. Lookup arrays, we're looking this employee in the employee number column. So I'm going to select the entire column, comma. So return value is nothing but we are looking for the based on hiring date we need to find the number of years they spent. So return is nothing but the hiring date. So once you click enter, so now it's in number format. Let me change it to date format. So we able to get 10/14/2015. For this employee you can see 10/14/2015. This is the start or the hiring date. But we need to find the number of years they spent. So for that you can double click on this formula. Prior to XLOOKUP, type year function, year frac, okay, FRAC, open bracket. So start date we already found using the XLOOKUP. That is nothing but if you keep on this cursor says 10/14/2015. So we are able to find this using the XLOOKUP. Now after the closing bracket, just type comma. So now it asks for the end date. What is your end date? So we have end date would be your current date. That is today's date. We need to check as of today how many years that employee has spent. So for that you can use today function. Today, open bracket and close the bracket, and again close the final bracket for the year fraction. So hit enter. So it's in a date format. Let's change it to number format. So now you can see he spent 8.98 years in the organization. So if you don't want the decimals, just you can remove the decimals here. Just click. So it now shows the 9 years spent in this organization. So easy to find, and here it doesn't show. You don't need to add any columns here. It directly using the two functions we're able to get the result. I hope this function was helpful. Do let me know for any other functions, and thank you for your time.